Are you a real estate investor or a wholesaler that is using outdated spreadsheets or bloated CRM systems that are just inefficient and causing you to lose deals? I was in that situation too before I decided to take actions in my own hand and obviously build something that has helped us to solve this issue. And not only that, it's allowed us to do over $5 million worth of assignment fees and buy over $10 million worth of rental properties and flip almost about $20 million worth of real estate. And so if you guys are interested in learning about how we've done what we've done with Go High Level, this is exactly the video that you need because it helped me to change my business and my life. So let's go ahead and talk about what exactly we're doing with Go High Level so you guys can benefit from it. Let me give you a little context on why we ended up actually building on Go High Level versus a lot of the other platforms that I was entertaining. And one of the main reasons was how user-friendly it was. So back in the day, I was using just Sheets, I was using my cell phone and my Google Calendar. And so that was really my only reminders or automation, quote unquote, that I was using. And it just was really inefficient. I was missing deals. I, obviously couldn't really track or follow up with things, how many text messages, how many calls. I didn't have any automations. And so I was for sure missing deals left and right. And I ended up building on a couple different platforms before Go High Level. I was using Podio and then I was using Salesforce. Both of them were great. And I've been on a lot of other different platforms like Follow Up Boss, or a couple other ones that are out there too as well that are like niche for real estate. And nothing really ever stuck with me because it was either, not customizable at all and it was kind of just like get what you get and it wasn't user friendly. Two, it was too customizable but very hard and challenging, so you had to hire someone techie to do everything for you, or you had to spend a lot of time to learn how to figure it out. And that just kind of didn't really resonate with me. I wasn't super tech involved. I had some tech background, but not like the craziest where I'm like able to code or anything. And to me, it just was like, I started getting on the platform. I started building out stuff that I had visions for. I was like, hey, I'm in the sales process. These are the things, the bottlenecks, the issues that I have. Super easy to put that to pen to paper to then into the computer and just like launch it and go. And so I was getting more of my time back. I was selling more deals in the same amount of time. And most importantly, I wasn't missing deals that I obviously could have made $10, $20, $30,000 on. In other cases, even maybe $100,000 if I was flipping the house. And so to me, it was just like, this is a no-brainer process. And so we documented everything that we've been doing inside of our wholesale business, inside of our flip business, inside of the rental properties. So that way we taught all of our guys or how to use the CRM system to obviously acquire properties, disposition properties, and then follow up with people in between that whole process. And it's been a game changer to say the least. And so what I want to do is show you guys exactly what we built out, some of the parts that have obviously helped us to launch and to do a lot more business. And hopefully you guys benefit from this video, that you guys see what we have. And maybe if you have a high level account, just decide to build some of these out. Or if you don't have a high level account, I want you guys to obviously go below. I have a link that you guys can click on and you guys can sign up for Go High Level and get this exact snapshot at no additional cost. And so that's my benefit for you guys watching this video, is to see if you guys are interested in obviously joining Go High Level and obviously work with us. So let's go ahead and show you what we built. First things first, this is probably the most important part of Go High Level, is what I call the opportunity section. And so these are all of the motivated seller leads that we're generating from PPC, Facebook ads, any online advertising, direct mail, cold calling, texting, you name it, like any motivated seller lead or any opportunity on the disposition side that I'll get into in a little bit is being documented inside of here. And so these are all the leads that we're moving from, hey, this is a brand new lead that came in, to all the way to closed. And so setting up some of these phases so you have all of your direct to seller stuff in one place is obviously going to be huge. But then you also have certain reps, and you can see how the reps are performing, which rep is actually calling the leads in a very fast manner, which lead is actually following up with us, right? And how are we continuing that process? If they respond, do we move them over into other things so that way we keep that lead actively moving throughout these pipelines and stages? And that's the sales process that you need to document for your people. And so if your salespeople are coming in here and they're just like, oh, everything's a new lead, and just calling through the same list again and again, versus going, hey, I need to go through my whole warm follow-ups. Hey, these are all the people that were cold that told me I'm 90 plus days out, but they still want to sell and there's some motivation there, and so you want to follow up with them. Or the people that are just piping hot, that they're like, hey, I want an appointment, I want a cash offer, I just want to be done right now. These are the things that are obviously super important to make sure you're documenting. And then what I love is being an owner and an operator inside of this is I get to go through all of these properties, right? And I can see how my leads are actually being worked. Obviously, you can go in there and be like, hey man, I saw that you did this with this call. This is what I maybe would have done differently. And so I'm able to give on the spot training to help them out to obviously do that by reviewing the calls, looking through the text messages, looking through the dates and the orders. And then also too, like other things, like what we do is we add them on active automations. And these are some of the workflows that follow up, whether we made an offer, whether we're trying to get photos on the property, whether we're trying to, we're in escrow and we need them to obviously do certain things with title. These are all the things that we're trying to automate to make our life a lot easier. So that way, once the deal is a brand new deal to all the way to obviously selling that property on the disposition side and closing escrow, we have a process for it that's documented inside of here. The other thing that I love is that right in here, I could just be like, hey, I need to obviously reach out to them. I create tasks, I complete those tasks, I add notes inside of it. So it's like, hey, you know, if something feels like a good fit, needs a cash offer for this, and then some other details that potentially might be useful. And so every lead that we have inside of here, we hopefully have some good detailed notes that obviously give us an idea as like, hey, they want to sell ASAP. And so we obviously need to jump on this lead and call it right there. And so I love that there's also in-call apps. So I could come in here, I could literally hit call. It's going to call out this lead on my laptop. And so then it's going to document everything in between. And so these are some of the small things that have helped to change my life and my business is by using Go High Level on that. And so the automations are key. And then obviously allowing myself to have multiple conversations. And then what's great is the reporting side. So I get to either create custom reports based off of the team members and the leads and the bringing what's generating working that way. I get to look at call data and stats. And so that's some of the things that we look at every single time. What's your call time? What's your talk time? How many calls are you making on a daily, weekly basis, monthly? And so this is where you can start seeing the peaks and the valleys of potentially your sales reps business. So that way, if you start seeing them dip down on call volume or certain things that are not helping to generate revenue for the company and themselves, you can obviously step in and help to guide it a little bit faster versus just going 2 months later, hey, Jeff, why are you not selling anymore? What's going on? And it's too late, they're checked out, or they've potentially moved on to another opportunity and have left the company. And so these are the things that you obviously need to do. So let's go ahead and talk about the disposition process, because that's another thing that I think is huge inside of this business, is being able to sell these deals for more money when you're on the back end. So now we're in the disposition side. And so when we go in here, we actually create pipelines for a lot of the properties that we work. So pretty much any property that we have a list that comes inside, and these people subscribe on our website. They have automations through email, text messages, all that type of stuff. And you can see like this lead came in through email, this lead came through SMS, and you can see some of them are email, some of them are SMS. And so I have each lead assigned to one of my disposition reps inside of here. That dispo rep only sees what they see. So they only call through the 70, instead of 74 opportunities, maybe they have 20 opportunities each that they're looking through. And so these are some of the things that obviously help us out to make sure all these leads are getting work. So if I got this property under contract, we have 74 opportunities that are interested in potentially buying this investment property that we're selling. We want to make sure that all the conversations are going well. Hey, if we have someone that's interested in following up, or if Dave Rogers, I know, viewed it the other day, we move them over into viewing. And then once we get some offers sent, so then we move them over into these other pipelines. And it's as easy as that. And then what's amazing is that we can actually click into these opportunities. I can see the whole thread. I can see activities of when they've clicked on the trigger links, and I can see other properties potentially that they're interested in. And these are all things that are going to help me to learn what Dave is looking for, because not only are they creating custom things, that the AI is learning on what Dave is buying. So it's starting to go in there and it's starting to go, hey, Dave is looking at this area, this area, this area. So if we get properties in the future in that area, Dave might be the first potential buyer that we should show this house to based off of his interest in the past. And so these are things that have allowed us to obviously predict a lot further and obviously do a lot more. So we have automations from when a buyer comes in, when we send out a property. Once that property is sent out and there's some reply, we then obviously hook all of those links back up. So if they click on a link, it all sends all that information back to us, whether it's this email that we send out, right? So this is like an example of like an email. So it's like, hey, we sent out this property, it's a little duplex. So if they click on this, they click on that, they click on the main website, they click on pretty much anything inside of here. Like eventually we're going to obviously get in contact with them and then try to obviously reach out. We have this amazing round robin number. And so if there's ever a new lead, we've basically round robin this. So it's a 24-hour pickup. So if I have new people that are super motivated and are like, hey, I want any of the inbound calls, and they start picking up some of these calls because it calls every single person on the team. And the first person to pick it up gets that, obviously, that lead. They obviously move forward with that deal. And I know a lot of people that have made $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 just because they pick up this line that work on our team. And so these are the fun things that you can do with your marketing, right? Is that you can start sending this out versus sending out the same phone number every single time. And they're like, well, why does this person always get the inbound calls from all the marketing? It's like, well, everything's split equal. I get to obviously look through anything inside of this lead that can help me to obviously sell, and I can also give obviously Grant any feedback to as well that potentially might help him. So that's a little bit on the disposition side, so you guys can take a look. Who this really is for is not the person that's just looking to do one deal a year. This is really for someone who's been doing maybe 1 or 2 deals a year and is looking to scale to do multiple deals every single month. And that's exactly on what we did. And so I want to teach you from point A to point B of where we've gone. So if you're a real estate investor that you're looking to flip more houses, if you are a wholesaler that you want to sell more deals, if you're an agent that wants to scale your business, these are the things that are going to obviously help you to do so you can hire the right team, build the right talent, have systems and processes that those team members can follow, and to make you money and make themselves money too by using the system efficiently. The results basically speak for themselves. This made our dispo process 10 times smoother. It made acquiring deals a lot easier. It allowed us to also track different sources that we were working, whether it was a cold call, a Google lead, a Facebook lead, which ones were working best on each part of the business. And it allowed us to honestly scale up because we were able to plug really easily members inside of our team, show them what we're doing, how it's working, versus it all being potentially on your cell phone. In most cases is how I talk to a lot of investors. Everything's in there. They can't get out of the business. They're always dependent on selling. And so if you're stuck in that couple $100,000 range and you really want to go to 7 figures, 8 figures in wholesaling real estate, you got to start moving away from some of these outdated processes like I was stuck in and move into something like this. So if you guys are interested to get access to this opportunity, I'd love you guys to go ahead, find the link below, sign up, do your free trial, and see if this is a good fit for you. If it's not, no worries. There's no charge after the 14 days. If you want to continue moving it and using it, it's really low minimum cost. So go ahead and click and get your free trial today.